Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can check your Steam replay on your phone, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Steam replay on your phone easily. So first off, you're going to open up Steam, and once you're in Steam, now you're going to click at the bottom left corner of the page, and once you click on it, then it will load up your Steam replay here, and when you see Steam replay you can just click it. But if you don't see it, then you're going to click onto these three dots at the top right corner of the page, and you're going to click refresh here, and once it refreshes it will load up your Steam replay, and then you can just click on Steam replay, and then it will load up your Steam replay. So here it is. Here's my Steam replay. Here's how many games I've played. Here's how many achievements I've unlocked. Here's my longest streak of playing games. This is my most played game. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to check your Steam replay on your phone. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.